So I have here a wireless speaker cannon by Tyler. This is the TWS405BK. I was sent this in exchange for a review, but all of these thoughts are my own. You can pair it with another speaker for a more surround sound experience. Of course, it's a Bluetooth speaker, includes a carry strap with a 1500 milliamp battery. Very cool. So let's open it up. This thing is massive. Man, that's a big Bluetooth speaker. I don't think I've had a Bluetooth speaker this big before. Very cool. Yeah, I would definitely describe it as a cannon. It measures about 11 inches long and about 4.5 inches in diameter. It does have the carry strap pre-installed. It's a really nice strap. Feels like leather. On the bottom, it has these rubber feet, so it sits on the table really nicely. Here's the speaker side. Definitely looks like a cannon. And on the other side, you have all the controls, power, skip back, skip forward, also volume up, volume down. An M, I'm not sure what that is just yet. Play and pause. USB in, auxiliary cable in, micro SD in, and also where you plug the power cable to charge it up. Which, of course, it does come with a power cable and an auxiliary cable. Also comes with this second strap, so you can clip it to something so that you don't lose it. Maybe like a backpack or whatever. Here's the manual. It says that M stands for the play mode. So that's how you change it to like FM radio. So let's test it out, see how it works.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Here we go. Tyler TWS405.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Awesome. Let's check it out on YouTube. Sounds really good. Crisp and clear. Since it's called a cannon, I want to test out how it does over a long distance. We're going to test it out down this hall over here.
No expression, no expression. And I find it kind of funny, I find it kind of sad.
I just checked it out, played it back, and I like it. Once I turned the volume up, which you heard that beeping noise that was saying that it reached maximum volume, even from all the way down the hall like that, which is about 30 feet long, you could hear the song crisp and clear. This really shoots that audio down the hall like that. Very cool. Should also work in like outdoor areas. Just a unique design, like a cannon like that. Build quality is really good as well. It's got some weight to it. You can tell it's made of good materials. Handy strap there, like a boombox. I was sent one other model. This is the 405. I was also sent the 406, which is a little bit bigger than this one. I will say that the 406 has maybe just a slightly better audio quality. On this one, the bass kind of rumbled just a little bit when it was at maximum volume, but that was really quite loud. So if you're planning on getting quite loud, maybe get the other one, but I really like this one too. It's just a bit fun and different. Haven't quite seen this from a Bluetooth speaker before. I like it. There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.